What's the meaning of coracle? Coracle. Coracle.
Coracle. Coracle. A coracle is a small, round, lightweight boat that is traditionally made of wicker or woven materials. It is typically propelled by a single person using a paddle, and is popular in areas with shallow water or strong currents. The design and construction of coracles varies depending on the region in which they are used, but they are generally simple and durable. Despite their small size, coracles have been used for centuries for fishing, transportation, and leisure activities. Today, coracles continue to be used in some parts of the world, though they are increasingly rare.